Hello everyone, the Sunward SWE210. This is our classic best-selling 21-ton class medium excavator. It's the exceptional cost effectiveness that makes it a mainstream market leader. With over 5,000 units sold worldwide, you will find it exported in batches to regions like Southeast Asia, and it's earned a strong reputation both at home and abroad for stable, reliable quality. It inherits the classic look of the E-series, think solid, rugged, and timeless, and is highly versatile. So it excels in all kinds of earth-moving work, from urban infrastructure and mountain land reclamation to backfilling and road construction. Bottom line is a top-tier choice for profitable projects. Under the hood, you will got high-performance power and hydraulic systems. At the heart of it all is a proven Isuzu 6BG1 direct injection engine, compliant with China Stage 2 emission standards. It gives you ample power and rugged durability. Plus, parts are widely available. After-sales support is easy to get, and maintenance costs stay remarkably low, so it handles all kinds of complex job site conditions with ease. On top of that, Sunward's intelligent load sensing control strategy adjusts power output in real time to match the load, giving you the perfect balance between muscle and fuel economy. This machine comes with a globally renowned large bore main control valve, a large displacement main pump, and a high torque swing motor. That's a 12% boost in swing torque. By the way, pair that a proven negative flow control hydraulic system and a third-generation intelligent matching technology, and what you get is precise pump valve coordination with minimum hydraulic loss, which means smooth, responsive operation and perfectly coordinated compound movements for superior efficiency. And don't forget, auxiliary hydraulic lines for the breaker come standard from the factory. So one machine does it all: digging, breaking, and line clearing for truly multifunctional performance. We've got a 5.7 meter boom paired with a 2.92 meter arm and a 1 cubic meter large capacity bucket, and that delivers maximum working efficiency. Core stress points on the boom and arm are reinforced through a forging and annealing process that gets rid of welding stress, giving exceptional resistance to fatigue and deformation. The optimized double radius bucket cuts into the ground with ease, holds a hip low, and stands up to several well. You also get reinforced D-shaped beams on the rotary platform, extended roller and carriage, and a strengthened X-shaped frame. All of that adds up to maximum stability and load-bearing capacity, keeping things safe and solid, even under heavy loads and on uneven terrain. And you'll find a spacious safety-certified cab with all-round visibility and excellent dust seating. There's a 10-inch HD touchscreen, intelligent air conditioning, and a shock-absorbing suspension seat, all built for superior operator comfort. Maintenance is centralized and simplified, so routine inspections and filter changes are quick and easy. And with 6 LED work lights plus an audio-visual alarm system, you can count on safe, worry-free operation around the clock. Would you like to know more about Sunward machines? Check out our website and follow us on social media.